What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. I am your cook, Spinelli, the self-proclaimed wing king and the prince and ruler of all lemon pepper wings. Now, if it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I won't disappoint you. And guys, if you're returning, you already know what we do. We hit that like button as soon as we enter the Wing King Kingdom. So hit that like button, guys. Now, today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make lemon pepper wings. But I'm going to show you how to do it in the air fryer. Same process, same ingredients, except we're going to put it in the air fryer instead of in the oven. And they came out delicious. So right now, you're going to see why I'm the prince of lemon pepper wings. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. Alright, so here are the ingredients we're going to use for today's recipe. We have our Publix chicken. They didn't have any of the Publix wings, so we're going to use drumettes for this recipe. I'm using 3 lemons, some vegetable oil, lemon pepper seasoning, some red pepper, and butter. So not many ingredients, guys, but I'm telling you, the best lemon pepper recipe on the planet. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next step. Alright, so I've already cleaned our chicken and measured out our ingredients. So we're going to start with 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon pepper seasoning. Guys, you can use as much or a little lemon pepper seasoning as you want. I love that lemon pepper flavor, so I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons. We're going to use half a teaspoon of red pepper, the juice of 2 lemons, and the lemon zest of 2 lemons. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. This is a great recipe, so let's continue. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to marinate these chicken pieces. So add your lemon zest, your red pepper, lemon pepper seasoning, and your lemon juice. You want to zip this up. Make sure you take all the air out of it and kind of massage those wings around in the bag, making sure you get the marinade on each piece of the chicken. I recommend that you marinate your chicken. It just makes this recipe so much better. You don't have to do this, but I'm telling you, if you want real lemon pepper wings, marinate it in this sauce. All right, I'll see you guys in the next step. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to prepare our lemon pepper sauce. So you want to take the juice of 1 lemon and you want to add it to 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Next, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper seasoning. And what you want to do is give that a good mix. And we're going to set it aside and reserve it to when the lemon pepper wings are done. All right, let's move on. All right, so now the 24 hours are up. And I'm going to remove these chicken pieces from the Ziploc bag. And I'm just going to place them on the cutting board and allow them to come to room temperature before I start the cooking process. So go ahead, remove your chicken pieces, allow them to kind of dry on the cutting board and come to room temperature, and I'll see you guys in the next step. All right, guys, so in this step, I'm going a step further to make sure I have that lemon pepper flavor. So I'm going to add my vegetable oil to a dish with the chicken pieces and give it a good mix. And I'm going to add another tablespoon of lemon pepper seasoning. Guys, I'm telling you, you want to do this. You want to follow this exact recipe. They're going to be amazing. All right, once you do that, give it a good mix. All right, let's move on. All right, so guys, right now what I'm doing is I'm preheating my air fryer for 5 minutes at 400 degrees. This is no different than an oven. You want to preheat your air fryer so when you put your chicken pieces in, it's already at a temperature. So go ahead, preheat your air fryer for 5 minutes, and I'll see you guys in the next step. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to start loading our air fryer with our chicken. Now, I have a pretty big air fryer, so I'm going to be able to put all this chicken inside the air fryer. I think I got about 14 pieces, but I'm going to be able to put them all at one time. But if your air fryer is smaller, you just have to do it in batches. All right, so let's stick these bad babies into the air fryer. It is at 400 degrees, and we're going to allow it to cook for 12 minutes. On one side, and then we're going to flip them over after the 12 minutes and allow them to finish cooking. All right, let's move on. Okay, so now our 12 minutes are up. We're going to flip these chicken pieces over, take a look at them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let them cook for about 8 to 12 more minutes. Guys, you want to kind of like, just eyeball it. I like my chicken extra crispy. So if you don't like it extra crispy, I don't recommend you leave it in there for 12 more minutes. But if you like it, a little bit less crispy, I would say probably do it for 8 minutes. So, all right, I'll see you guys in the next step. All right, so now we're done. I left them in there for about 10 minutes. So take a look at this, guys. Exactly like I like it. I love the color. Look how crisp they are. This is exactly what I'm talking about. All right, let's move on. So I'm going to remove these right out the air fryer onto a clean plate. Now you can put them in a bowl and do a little shaky bakey, but I'm not going to do that for this recipe. What I want to do is I want to take that sauce and I just want to brush it against the chicken. Now you guys know I am not against doing a little shaky bacon. So, but I don't want to do that for this recipe. All right, so go ahead, place your chicken pieces on your clean plate, and I'll see you guys in the next step. All right, so what we're gonna do here is we're just going to take a brush and we're going to brush these chicken pieces with this delicious lemon pepper seasoning. Guys, look at this. Amazing. All right, I'll see you guys in the final step. And there you have it. Lemon pepper wings in the air fryer. Absolutely beautiful, delicious, amazing. Guys, this is how you make lemon pepper wings. If you're going to these restaurants or these wing spots and they throwing, naked chicken in a fry with no seasoning on it, pulling them out and sprinkling lemon pepper seasoning on the top of it and calling it lemon pepper seasoning, man, I tell you, you're eating a bad product. If they're not looking like this, then they're not lemon pepper wings. I don't care what you say. I don't care what cook tells you. These are lemon pepper wings. Amazing. All right, guys, I'm tired of bragging on myself because I am the self-proclaimed wing king and the prince of lemon pepper. Now you guys know, you got proof. So I got the ingredients and the measurements in the video description below. Also, if you need any of those ingredients, I have links in the video description below. And guys, I appreciate you stopping by my channel and hanging out with me. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click that bell icon. That way you're notified every time I release another one of these videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And I am out. Peace.